Great explorers, observing nature through sights and sounds. Part of the Emmi's World series. Written by Cara A. Mullane. Narrated by Amy Weaver.
Hello, I'm Emmi. Exploring is so fun. Come join me.
Today we join the great explorer Emmi as she uses her senses to observe the many creatures in their natural environment. That is a scientific way to say the animals and bugs in Emmi's backyard.
I see a great North American robin searching for her breakfast. What else do you see?
Emmi is looking at the creatures in her backyard and observing their...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?